Ayan. Sick po.
Summer after high school, when we first met, when picking out your mustache, your Radiohead, and on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos. Used to steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof. Talk about a future like we had a clue. Never met one day I'm really losing you. And in another life, I would be your girl. We made our promises, we us against the world. And in another life, I will make you stay. So I don't have to say you were the one that got away, and I'm the one that got away. I was treating you like Johnny Cash, every morning after the other, you didn't back. It's like I was gonna miss you, I put those friends on. Someone said you had a tattoo, so you tapped out, singing the blues. It's time to face the music, I'm no longer you. In another life, I will be your girl. We keep all the promises, be us against the world. And in another life, I will make you stay. So I don't have to say you were the one that got away. Hindi ka lang the one that got away. The
Hello po. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Grabe. Sorry, hindi ko naikot lahat.
Thanks, man.
Ayan, pero may gusto po akong pasalamatan, syempre. Ayan, syempre. Okay, please, ang ating mayor po na Ms. Evelyn Diaz, maraming salamat po. Ang isa sa dahilan kung bakit po ako nandito kasama kayong lahat. Si former Mayor Jose Marie L. Diaz, Vice Mayor Vedasto Villanueva, City Council headed by Councilor J. Ibson Diaz, maraming salamat po. Kay Dr. Philip Wico of Patafa and other sports officials, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, mga kabataan, marami ako nakikita. Sa next song, alam naman natin na alam nyo to. So sana sabayan nyo ako para mas masaya tayo ngayon. Music po. Dapat activate talaga natin lahat eh. Music? Nasaan po yung music? Ready ba na makipagkantahan lahat?
Hindi nga lang ang sino.
Dapat lahat kumakanta o niindak. Ayan. Nasaan na po ang ating music? Lahat ba nanood ng Doble Cara? Naku, maraming salamat. Sino po bang mas gusto niyo? Si Cara o si Sarah? Mukhang mas maraming Sarah, ah. Dito lang yata yung pinuntahan ko, klarong-klaro yung narinig ko na Sarah automatic. Sana abangan niyo po, meron po akong Once Upon a Time every Sunday yan. Sana po makatutukan niyo. This Sunday na, April 2, magsa-start na Once ako. So sana pakatutukan niyo po yun. Ready na po ba ang ating music? Kaya mag-alala, hindi ako nakaka-taste. Iikot at iikot pa rin ako dyan. Ano pong balita? Sige, puntahan muna natin yung mga tao dito. Relax lang tayo para walang masaktan. Nasaan na yung aking music? Hello? Kontis lang sa ating sounds. Lakas maka-singer ng feel. Nasaan ang ating music? Ayan po. Kanina pa ba? Ano na po ang gaganap?
Otis. Yan yun ang siri. Ano?
Hello? Sa taas, okay pa po ba?